Hey, hi everyone. So today we learn how to create date table in Power BI. So for that first we have to go to data view. Then we have to click on new table. Here we have to enter the table name. I'll keep as date dimension. You can enter anything based on your requirement. So here we have to enter calendar and we have to pass two parameters to this start date and end date. You have to enter this based on your requirement. So I'll pass start date and end date. So start date I'll keep it as 2022-01-01 and end date I'll keep it as 2023-12-31. Just click on the enter. Now we'll get date column. Now we need another date related columns like year, month, quarter and all. So for that we have to click on new column. Here we'll name it as year equal to year of. We have to pass this column date. So just and pass date column and click on enter. So we'll get here. Just click on new column. Now we'll add month. Here we use month function and pass date. We'll get month number. So if we want a month name like January, February and all, we have to add one more column. Here I'll say month short equal to. We have to use format function, format and pass date and format will be MMM. Click on enter. We'll get month short like this. If we want fully like January, then we have to add one more column. Call it as month. We have to use format function here as well and pass the date as value and format will be MMM. So we'll get full name. Now we want quarter. We'll add one more column. Name it as quarter. We have to use quarter function and pass the date. We'll get in numbers. If you want Q prefix, just concatenate it with Q. So let us pass Q space this thing. Use ampersand to concatenate. Okay, I'll just use. Okay. We want week number, then we'll add another column. Let's add week number. Use week number function. Pass the date. Now we have week number.